Assalamu alaikum, my students. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS Home School. This is Sonia Khan Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Moriship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for a student of class 5 students. And our today's topic, chapter 10, CVQ question discussion. So my dear students, look at the board. This is class 5, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Topic chapter 10 CVQ question discussion, term annual, and your lecture number 12, and this is your teacher's name Sonia Khanjara, and this is my mobile name, and this is today's date. So my dear students, let's start out with this topic. CVQ questions from chapter 10. Chapter 10 CVQ question. Chapter 10 democratic attitude. In chapter 10 there are 4 CVQ questions. So CVQ question number 1. You and your classmates want to select a class captain with the help of your teacher. Write 5 steps to elect a class captain through democratic attitude. Answer: 5 steps which are to be followed while electing a class captain are as follows. Number 1. We will find out the candidates who want to be the class captain with the help of the teacher, and their names will be written on the board. Then number 2, each of the students will be given a piece of paper. Then number 3, everyone will write the name of his favorite candidate on the paper and put the paper in a box after folding it. And number 4, teacher will open the papers and count the number of votes of each candidate and then write the numbers beside their name on the board. And number 5, the student who will receive the highest votes will be made class captain. So this is our question 1. Then CVQ number 2. Mina's father took the opinions of everyone in the family about their vacation spot and then selected a place. What kind of attitude is shown in his behavior? Write 4 sentences about the importance of this kind of attitude at home. The answer: Mina's father showed democratic attitude. 4 sentences regarding the importance of democratic attitude at home are given below. Number 1, we should reach decisions by listening to each other's views at home. And number 2, if everyone's opinion is considered, the importance of the matter will be realized by all. And number 3, everyone in the family will feel encouraged to express their views. Then number 4, when decisions are taken consulting everyone's opinion, a peaceful and friendly relation prevails between the family members. So this is our answer. Then CVQ number 3. Mr. Hassan consults with the workers in his office before taking any decision on official issues. This shows his democratic attitude. What is democratic attitude? Write 4 sentences about democratic attitude. Answer: to reach a decision on the basis of the majority of people's opinion and respecting that decision is called democratic attitude. So again I am saying this: to reach a decision on the basis of the majority of people's opinion and respecting that decision is called democratic attitude. 4 sentences about democratic attitude are given below. Number 1, democratic attitude is a personal and social virtue. Number 2, it teaches us to respect everyone's opinion. And number 3, it teaches us to be tolerant of other people's views. And number 4, this virtue is very significant to build a peaceful family, society and state. This is answer 3. Now CVQ number 4. In a Bangladesh and Global Studies class, your teacher said that the people of this country fought to establish the principle of running the state. What principle is mentioned here? What does it mean? Write 3 merits of exercising this principle in politics. So again I am saying this question. In a global studies, in a Bangladesh and global studies class, your teacher said that the people of this country fought to establish the principle of running the state. What principle is mentioned here? What does it mean? Write 3 merits of exercising this principle in politics. So answer. The teacher mentioned the principle of democracy. Democracy means rule by the people. 3 merits of exercising democracy in politics are: 1. Everybody has the freedom to express his opinion in elections run by democratic methods. Number 2. Democracy becomes more effective and strong if it is more practiced. Number 3. When the majority of people give their opinion and support to their representative, stability and peace prevail in politics. So my dear students, this is our today's topic, CBQ 1, 2, 3, 4 from chapter 10. So my dear students, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. See you again inshallah.